Wright Toyota has been serving Bakersfield for over 41 years. Here's another excellent used vehicle. The 2010 Toyota Tundra Limited, powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle, with fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, gets up to 17 miles per gallon. This Toyota features power door locks, power windows, and towing package. Safety features include traction control, stability control, and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include heated power mirrors, heated windshield, and leather seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Bill Wright Toyota, a Carfax Advantage dealer.
Bill Wright Toyota has been your Bakersfield Toyota dealer since 1969. We invite you to visit us today.